Shalom, welcome back. This is David from TAV TEACH. We've covered the first 4 letters from the Old Testament Hebrew language. Let's recall. Aleph, Bet, Gimel, Dalet. Hold on. We need to put a little dot here. What's that little dot? Some of you have asked me. Well, the actual technical name for this little dot is actually the Dagesh Lene. Anytime you see a consonant in the Hebrew language with a Dagesh Lene, you pronounce it with a hard pronunciation. In this case, bait is pronounced as a bait, as in the sound b, boy. Coming back to our objective today, short clip, 5th and 6th Hebrew alphabets or consonants is hey. How do you write the word hey? So Aleph, Bet, Gimel, Dalet. Hey. Hey has a little long line and a short line. And then you have VAV. Now, just so that you are clear, hey is not to be confused with het. Het does not have a gap. Hey, on the other hand, the 5th alphabet or consonant in the Hebrew Testament, Old Testament language, has a little space here. Remember, whenever you need to write a hey, leave a gap. What are some examples of famous words that contain hey or that starts or begin with hey? Well, one simple word I can think of is halak, which is to go or to walk, right? So for example, in Bible, in Genesis, Abraham walked with his son to the mountain for 3 days. Halak. The other word that you really need to know, because that is God's name, and God's name contains 2 hey. Yud, Hey, Vav, Hey. Yahweh, okay? Yahweh. And how many Heys does it contain? 2. The name of God, Yahweh, in the Bible, it contains 2 Hey. Yud, Hey, Vav, Hey. Quickly, number 6 is Vav. Usually Vav is used in another verb, V-E-R-B. For example, when you say Amar, right? And you use a Vayomer. Vayomer means and he said. So the function of Vav usually is as a connector for verbs in English. So and he said, Vayomer. Isn't that interesting? Hang on, there's a little clip. If you look at it, Vav and Hey. Hey, you learned 2 alphabets today. Yud, Hey, Vav, Hey. God's name has 2 alphabets that are in our lesson today. Amazing. Let's go on to the 7th and the 8th in the next video. Bye for now. Shalom.